If you're buying a house, I'm going to give you 5 things that you do not want to do between when you go under contract and when you go to settlement. These things come up again and again. As a loan officer, I work with people all the time, and any one of these things can affect the outcome and end up with them not actually purchasing the house. So the number one thing that people seem to do when they buy a house is purchase a car. Just because you're buying a new house doesn't mean you should purchase a new car. If you need a car or want a car, you need to wait until after you settle. Number 2, do not co-sign for anything during the period that you're under contract. Co-signing will increase your debt ratio, and even if you're just a second signer on something, you are 100% obligated and the full payment will count against your debt ratio. It's really not a good idea to co-sign in general, but never a good idea to co-sign on anything between contract and settlement. As you're going along, you might see things that you want to buy for your house, furniture, just things in general. And a lot of times, department stores will offer you credit in order to buy those things. Do not open any new credit during the time period that you're under contract. Additional credit will be additional inquiries, which will affect your score and also change your debt ratio. No new credit. If you're thinking that you're going to change careers, and part of the reason you bought that house is you get in this new job, do not change jobs during that period of time. The lender will have to recalculate your income, and maybe it works and maybe it doesn't, but the outcome is really unpredictable. And finally, a lot of times people will give you money towards the down payment. This money will come in all different ways: cash, checks, transfers, whatever. Before you do any large deposits while you're under contract, you should talk to your lender first to make sure that those deposits are not going to be taken out or counted against you and prevent you from using that money and prevent you from buying a house. All those things are not that complicated, but people do that again and again, and it really can stop you from buying that house that you really want.